Wisdom tooth extraction cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. Wisdom tooth extractions are a typical process that a majority of patients must undergo at one point or another during their life. This process involves taking out the third molars, also referred to as wisdom teeth. These generally appear around the end of teens or the beginning of your 20s. The expense of wisdom tooth extraction could be different depending on the nation and the clinic at which the procedure is carried out. In this clip, we'll look at the costs of wisdom tooth extractions between Europe as well as Turkey, two countries that are popular in the field of dental tourism. Cost of wisdom tooth extraction in Europe. In Europe, the price of wisdom tooth extraction varies greatly from one nation to the next. The average cost of an easy extraction within Europe is anywhere between €100 up to €300 every tooth. But in some countries such as the UK as well as Switzerland, there is a possibility that the expense could be significantly higher, ranging upwards of €500 for each tooth. It typically covers the consulting fee, anesthesia, and the post-operative follow-up care. Apart from the price for the procedure itself, patients in Europe will also have to think about other costs, including travel and lodging. Dental insurance can be able to cover a small portion of the costs, but certain policies are subject to limitations that may not completely take care of the costs associated with wisdom extraction of teeth. Cost of wisdom tooth extraction in Turkey. Turkey has grown to be a popular location for dental tourism recently due to high-quality dental practices and affordable prices. The cost for wisdom tooth extractions in Turkey is much lower when compared to Europe, as prices begin with €50 per tooth to perform a straightforward extraction. It includes cost of consultation, anesthesia, and the post-operative follow-up care. Apart from the less expensive costs of treatment, those who go to Turkey to undergo dental treatments are also able to enjoy affordable lodging and travel services. Numerous dental clinics within Turkey offer packages with accommodation, transportation, and sightseeing excursions and sightseeing tours, which is a great choice for people seeking to integrate dental treatments and a getaway. Factors affecting the cost of wisdom tooth extraction. Many factors influence the expense of wisdom tooth extraction regardless of the location in which the procedure is carried out. This includes €, the level of complexity extraction. The simple ones generally cost less as surgical extractions that need more time and expertise of the dentist. Location of the clinic. Centers in big cities and tourist spots tend to be charged greater costs than those that are located in small towns or rural zones. The expertise and the reputation of the dentist. Proficient and skilled dentists can offer higher rates for their offerings. The kind of anesthesia employed. General anesthesia is much more costly than local anesthesia, as there is an anesthesiologist to manage and supervise the patient while the procedure is taking place. In the end, the price of wisdom tooth extraction may be quite different across Europe as well as Turkey. Even though Europe has high-end dental treatment, but the expense for the procedure may cost a great deal for some patients, specifically those with no dental insurance. In contrast, Turkey offers affordable prices for wisdom tooth extractions and is a great choice for patients who want to reduce costs but not sacrificing on the quality of care. Before taking a final decision, the patient should take into consideration the expense of surgery along with additional factors like the reputation of the facility as well as the knowledge of the dentist, as well as the type of anesthesia utilized. The final decision is among Europe and Turkey. In the case of wisdom tooth extraction will be based on personal preference and budgetary restrictions.